Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in everyday tools and gadgets. Today, we're looking at the Diymag Magnetic Hooks, 30 pounds plus heavy-duty hooks. If you're tired of using nails or screws to hang things up around the house, or you're just looking for a more versatile and reliable way to organize your space, these magnetic hooks might just be the solution you need. Right out of the box, you'll notice how well built these hooks are. Made with high-quality neodymium magnets and alloy steel, they're designed to be durable and extremely strong. The hooks are coated with 3 layers of Ni-Cu-Ni, which not only makes them resistant to rust but also ensures they remain shiny and robust even after years of use. This coating also provides a protective barrier, which prevents the magnets from chipping or cracking, so you won't have to worry about them losing their power over time. Now, let's talk about the strength. These Diymag magnetic hooks are rated for a holding capacity of 30 pounds when used vertically, which is plenty strong enough for most everyday tasks. Whether you're using them in your kitchen to hang utensils, in the classroom to organize materials, or in your garage to keep tools off the counter, these hooks will hold firm. They can also be used in places like cruise cabins, lockers, refrigerators, or even for hanging things on your grill. The applications are almost endless. One of the most convenient aspects of these hooks is that they require no installation. No drilling, no screws, just place them on any metal surface and you're good to go. It's that simple. Plus, the compact size means you can move them around with ease, so you're not stuck with something that's hard to reposition. However, it's important to note that the 30-pound holding strength is based on the hook being used vertically. So if you plan to use them horizontally, you should expect the magnetic power to reduce by about 2/3. Still, this level of strength is more than enough for most practical applications. The Diymag magnetic hooks are truly versatile and built to last. Whether you're organizing your home, your office, or your travel gear, these hooks offer an easy, no-fuss solution to help you stay organized. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to declutter your space without the hassle of drilling holes or dealing with complicated installations, these hooks are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on all the best products out there.